Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are fine. So let's get started. In my previous lecture, we learned about what really ICANN is and what are RIRs. So now we will see what is IANA. IANA is basically Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. Basically, it is a function of ICANN. Like ICANN is serving IANA, and it's a non-profit private American corporation that oversees global IP addresses allocation. So basically, it serves as an address allocation, autonomous system numbers allocation, root zone management in the domain name system, or media type, or any other IP protocol related symbols and internet numbers. Basically, it gives unique numbers identity. In addition to this, 5 regional internet registries RIRs delegate number resources for their customers. Local internet registries, internet service providers, and end users organizations. A local internet registry is an organization that assigns parts of its allocation from a regional internet registry to their customers. Most local internet registries are also internet service providers. Basically, so these are the internet registries. Basically, these are the internet service provider ISPs from where you are getting the internet. So, what really the responsibility of IANA is? IANA is broadly responsible for the allocation of globally unique names and numbers. So, it allocates the names and numbers that are used in internet protocols that are published as a request for comment documents, or you can say they are published by the ICANN, as ICANN is working for IANA. So these document describes methods, behavior, research, or innovation applicable to the working of internet and internet connected systems. IANA maintain a close liaison with the Internet Engaging Task Force. So we'll see in my next lecture what really this Internet Engineering Task Force is, and RFC's additional team in fulfilling this function. So basically, IANA is very close to the Internet Engineering Task Force and RFCs. Okay, I hope you understand this thing, what really the purpose of IANA is, and it's also responsible for assignments of internet numbers, which are numerical identifier assigned to the internet resources or used in the networking protocols of the internet protocol suite. It includes IP addresses and autonomous system numbers. So basically, by all this description, we understand that IANA basically is just giving you the numbers, the unique numbers to the RIRs, and RIRs are further going on and towards ISPs, and they are spreading their numbers to their respective ISPs, and ISPs further move on and giving IP addresses to their respective customers. So you can see this picture here, that IANA at first step, IANA is just giving the IP addresses to Epnik and Erin. These are the RIRs and the further RIRs, and Epnik is further moving to the internet service providers, whatever around the whole world. And then ISP1, service provider 1, having customers site 1 to site n, or let's consider yourself as a site 1. So you have the IP that is provided by the ISP1, and ISP1 have the IP that is given by Epnik, and Epnik got that IP from IANA. So IANA is the main source of delivering the IPs and numbers. So this is all about the IANA. I hope you understand this thing. So let's meet you in next lecture and see how the things are going on. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.